All across America, homeowners are in need of help. With busy lives and busy families, getting organized can feel impossible. We're sisters and owners of HomeSort, and together with M-Design, we've built our mission and our business on helping homeowners get back to the things they love most. From creating systems to parting ways with junk, each episode we're transforming one client's space from chaos to clutter-free, creating jaw-dropping solutions in every room. Goodbye clutter, hello fresh start.
It's time to sort it out.
So how can we get the whole family involved in organizing?
Yeah, I know a lot of families are like, it's the responsibility of one person to be organized. And
Right.
we totally disagree with that. Like the kids can get involved,
Yeah.
moms, dads, everybody can be involved in organizing. And the way to do that is with a system.
Well, and everything needs a home.
Yes.
So with a good system, everything in a space has a place where it lives. Then everyone in the family knows where to put it back.
Yep. I think it's so important when you want to get kids involved in organizing that you make it easy for them.
Right.
It's obviously not going to look like a mom or dad or like an adult did it,
Right.
but make it where kids are excited to do it because they know where their stuff goes, it's
Yeah.
labeled, and it's on their level.
So we are gonna be with the Watts family today. They are this sweet family, 4 kids,
Yeah.
a lot going on, and they really need organizing help, and I'm so glad our team gets to be there for that.
Hi, I'm Melinda Watts,
I'm William Watts.
and we're the Watts family. We have 4 kids: Lyric, Honor, Smile, Freedom Song, and Power. We've lived here about 4 years. We bought this home, and we just little by little wanted to piece things together. We didn't really have much of a plan.
We are doing the girls' room. 2 girls, different ages, share a room.
Yeah.
And we are not only going to organize, but we're going to bring some fun decor into it too.
Right.
To give them that extra little
To make the room
something.
feel dialed in,
Yeah.
special, and livable
Yes.
for these little girls.
Nothing's working about the room. It's a little wild. I mean, we got like 2 girls in that one room.
This space is really challenging, trying to figure out how to give both girls something special in the same space. Having the time to just sit there and keep everything is tough because our kids are crazy. Do you think our kids are crazy? I think our kids are crazy.
Okay, here we are.
Well, I think that this to me is kind of a blank canvas. And we have a lot of things that we can do organizing, and M-Design has a great decor line. So
Right.
adding in a bunch of that's going to make this room
Yes.
feel cozy.
Nothing about the room feels on purpose. So it just kind of feels like, hey, we threw some beds in here, we threw in 2 rugs, and get in there, kids, it's your room.
Yeah.
And I think that we really need to make it feel like an on-purpose space for
Yes.
the kids. This looks like the kids put their clothes
Yeah.
away, absolutely. But let's bring some order and structure to things.
Yeah.
So everyone can be involved, but the room can be organized and tidy and work for the family. Okay. Ryan, you far more than I have the skill set of figuring out what to do with the walls, really a
Yeah.
little bit more of the styling element. What are your thoughts?
Well, you know what it is? It feels a little not done. And
We just threw some things on the
Yeah.
wall to see what would stick, and this was it.
Exactly.
All right, let's look at the closet.
It's just looking like a
This is like
3-year-old
This
organization.
is like children gone wild in here in this closet.
Yeah.
We got to maximize all this space.
Yeah.
I think that we need to bring in a piece that we can put almost as like a small dresser or like a small
That's a
storage.
great idea. When they have space, they just have no
They
idea
don't
what
have
to
a
do with
space
it.
problem. They have a storage problem.
Well,
'cause
there
they
you
have no
go.
plan.
There you go.
One thing I hope they don't discover is that crazy closet.
Ryan,
I'm behind you. Come on.
like what? Okay, we got some undies.
Uh-oh.
It's like
That really did hit me in the face.
All right.
Come on.
We got our work cut out for us. All right, you guys, so we've been in the girls' room, and we definitely have a job to do.
We got some good bones in there, but
Yes.
we're gonna bring in the product. We're bringing the plan. You guys are gonna love it.
Yeah, we're gonna
Yeah.
figure out drawers. We're gonna dial in that closet,
Oh,
and it's
right.
gonna be the space that your girls want
Yeah.
and the space that you guys love too. I think we're gonna get inside and organize.
Yeah, let's do it.
And you guys are out of here.
Out of here. You're
Okay.
relaxing. We're working.
All right, sound good?
Yes.
All right, let's go.
Thank you so much.
Okay, we've got to do some serious folding for the drawers.
Yeah.
That's going to make a huge difference.
And also, let's kind of fill in with some decorative design stuff, some blankets. Let's give it some layering and some texture.
Absolutely. And then the closet, you guys will just see when you get up.
Yeah.
You'll just see it. There's no words for that space. But we're going to get in there. We're going to dial it and we're going to do our thing. It's going to be awesome.
Great.
You guys ready to go?
Yeah.
All right.
The first place we start in a shared space with, like 2 siblings that are different ages is we figure out what stuff
belongs to who.
Yeah. And then from there, we create, a plan to organize it where they both have their own personal space, but also, live in the shared space together.
Okay, let's talk about how to involve kids in
Yes.
keeping the room organized. Right. What are a couple tips? Labeling everything. Also, if everything in the room has a home, it's really easy for kids to tidy up because there is no guesswork. Everyone knows where everything goes.
Everything has a place. And also making things kid accessible. Let's put stuff up high that keepsakes, stuff that parents want to keep nice, but then let's do big baskets on the floor that the kids can toss stuff into.
I think those are some really great tips and hopefully will help keep this family organized.
I think it will.
Okay, let's talk about baskets in kids' rooms.
Yeah, how do we organize big things like toys and stuffies and all that stuff?
Yeah, I think baskets are a great way to hide bulky kid items that you don't necessarily want to see because they don't maybe go with the decor of the room or the theme of the room. And so this is a great way to get the things organized, but it still can look really good. I think all these baskets are great for their own reason. They're all different textures, different feels, different colors, depending on what you want to store in them. Obviously, larger baskets, you want to do your bigger toys, all your big stuffed animals. And smaller baskets are great for the smaller things kids need and play with.
And it's nice to have some soft-sided storage as well. Like this one has a lot of structure, but this has some soft side. So you can it's a little bit flexible. So if you have to kind of stuff something in there, it's a little give.
And these are even really fun too because they have a handle. These could go on a hook in a bedroom and lots of fun options.
We've got to bring in some decor to make this feel a little bit more homey and cozy.
Yes, I agree. I didn't realize that M Design had such good decor options outside of just organizing.
Yes, indeed. They've got blankets, throws, pillows. They've got this.
These lights are really cute. I haven't taken them apart yet, but I think these are going to be really cute little fun accessories, some twinkly lights for the girls.
Yeah,
They're going to love it.
What's good is it works hand in hand with the organizing.
Yeah. I think it's great because it's really fun when we can take the decor and the organizing elements and blend the whole thing together. Truly the epitome of function and style.
Right above their dresser, they have a spot and there's some empty picture frames. No design, no plan up there. So we have with us today Carson, one of our gals who is such a talented artist, and we're going to incorporate some art up there and then also bring her beautiful calligraphy into the closet with the labels.
I just heard the noise of children outside, so I think the family is back. We've got to throw on finishing touches, get this thing totally done so they can come in and see the space. You guys, welcome back home. We have had the best day in your girls' room.
Yes, we brought everything out, guys. We sorted through all the toys, all the things, put it back in with the right product, and it's amazing. Are you ready to see it?
I'm feeling excited. Ready.
I feel excited, nervous, excited.
So good. Okay, I think it's time.
It is.
All right, you guys, let's go.
Well, guys, we are so excited to show you your girls' new room.
Oh my God.
I love it.
This is so beautiful. Oh my God.
It's like crazy.
Crazy. I'm so excited. Everything looks amazing. It's everything I could have wanted and even more.
Okay, let me tell you a little bit about what we did and why we did it.
Yeah.
So we have obviously freshened up this part of the room. M Design has some fantastic bedding. We got some throw blankets, this blanket ladder, just some fun little details for the girls' room. But we did that so you could really enjoy the organizing that we did. The closet, the dresser drawers. And so the whole room feels totally done for you guys and for the girls.
Yeah.
Okay, first let's start with the drawers.
Everybody's
With the school uniforms, you know,
It's a look at the inside.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Look at the little thing.
We got the
That
jams.
is nice.
We got all the socks. We got all the undies. All the things. We love these clear organizers.
Wow.
Because even at minimal effort, you guys, the girls can at least put individual items in each one of the
put 'em
cubbies.
back too.
Even if they don't fold their undies, they can stuff them in and it's still going to feel organized. And these are a drawer divider. And what's great is these are really big and wide drawers, but it gives the clothes some structure.
Are you ready to see the closet?
Yes.
Come on in.
Oh my god, I can't. Wow, look at the buckets and the names and the uniforms. Oh my god, I just can't.
This
Oh my
is a perfect closet
God.
for two little girls.
Oh my god, it is-
So
it's beautiful.
everything, but you open the store and it feels spacious.
Before the closet was wild. I mean, like out of control. But now it's perfect. So I feel good about it.
So one of the girls on our team, Carson, she hand wrote all of this and she hand wrote the labels for the girls. And she
Oh
did a
my
really
God.
artistic
So she
and
did while she was here?
feminine while she's here. And did it artistic and feminine. So the art from the outside of the closet would match the art from the inside. It would just feel
So
special for the
perfect.
girls.
Yeah.
So beautiful. Oh my gosh. And that is definitely freedom. She's definitely a wildflower. This is going to help us because our kids are going to feel great in their space. We're going to feel good about where they are. They'll get to have everything in order, and it just makes our home a lot sweeter, a lot warmer than it already is.
So we have happy kids, happy mom and dad,
Yes.
and a space that's really going to work for your family.
Yes.
It is.
So,
All right.
We love you.
all right.
Well, now you just get to enjoy it. So
That's right.
we'll leave you to it, guys.
Yeah, we're going to head on out and you guys enjoy. Thank you for having us.
Amazing. Thank you so much.
This project was so fun because we got to flex some of our creativity design muscles and we incorporated some design stuff from M Design, but also bring organizing in for this family and make it accessible and easy for the kids, and that makes mom and dad happy. So such a rewarding project.